Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I am back with the best hair care products that I've used in 2024, and these products I'm also going to carry forward to 2025. So, let's quickly get started. So, the number one category is a hair oil. So, I have been using the Indie Wild Chumpy hair oil for a very long time, and this is a great product. This is how it looks. It comes in a glass jar bottle, which is so great. It is extremely light on your scalp. It is non greasy, doesn't feel like chip. It is genuinely so calming when you actually apply this on your hair. Also, I'm going to read out something that they have put right here. It says that it is a chumpy hair oil, of course, and the hero ingredient is castor oil, hibiscus, brinj, raj, brahmi, amla, tulsi, marigold, licorice, fenugreek, neem, and rosemary. And they also have like powerful carriers, which is coconut oil, sesame oil, almond oil, Indian argan oil, and it also has vitamin E. And for the fragrance, they have not put artificial fragrance. They have the natural jasmine, champa, and lavender oil, and that's the reason it smells so good. It actually says that it helps to get a thicker and full looking hair, which I completely agree. All you have to do is just take like 2 to 3 the pipe thing that they have, just put that on your hand and just apply it, stay for good 20 minutes and then take a shower. It feels so good. It exactly like when जो दादी और मम्मा हमारे सर पे तेल लगा के चंपी करते थे. It's exactly like that, and it's so good. I know it is a little bit expensive, but it's a great purchase. So, next up is something that I've been talking about so much, and I love this product so much that I ended up getting a bigger bottle of this, and this is the L'Oreal, the purple one. So this is basically for a dehydrated hair. If your hair is very thin or very weak or very frizzy, so you can actually go and use this one. It is absolutely great. Honestly, it doesn't do anything for hair fall. I have major hair fall issues, but this doesn't do anything for that. It just helps to smoothen your hair, helps with that frizz that you have on your hair. It just keeps your hair at bay. It feels so smoother. Your hair feels so fuller. If you also have like thin hair, you can also grab this because it instantly makes your hair look so fuller. Also because it has hyaluronic acid in it. So yes, I love this product. And if you're someone who is looking for like, if you have like that frizziness or your hair is very thin, you can actually try this. You can try the smaller version of it, and if you love it, then you can end up buying the bigger one like I did. Okay, so next up is a hair mask. Now this is the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender hair mask. I have already spoken in my previous video that I am not a fan of moisturizers, and I haven't used like a mask. I don't know, I don't remember the last time I used it, but I really wanted to give it a try and use a hair mask instead of a conditioner, because I don't know, I feel the conditioner makes your hair very thin. So I wanted to use like a mask, and this one right here, it's so good. Not using conditioner and mask for over a year and started using this last month. I think it's a total game changer, if I might say so. All you have to do is, after you are done with your hair wash, you just have to keep this mask for just 2 minutes and not 20 minutes, just 2 minutes, and just wash it off, and it is going to make your hair so soft. It's going to smell so amazing because of the lavender thing it has. So yes, I absolutely love it. So if you're someone who wants to skip a conditioner and buy like a mask, you can grab this one. Okay, next up is a hair serum, which we all love. If you haven't heard about it or if you haven't used this, then you have to, because this is my second tube. Like tub or whatever you call this. This is the Wish Care Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. It is great if you're someone who is having a major hair fall, or you having a bald hair and your forehead is big and you see these baby hairs that are coming. It's all it's all because of this one product. This is my second bottle or tube. It's great. I love this product. All you have to do is just apply this on your scalp when you go to bed, and that's about it. And you have to be very, very consistent with this. Just about 4 5 spray. And also the best part about this is comes in a spray, so you just have to open this and just spray it on your hair, on your scalp, and just give it a good massage for about a minute. That's it, and just go off to sleep. This will do its job. I had so much, like, my forehead turned so huge this year, and I tried this one because there was so much hype about this product, and I ended having so much hair here. And also this side, this part, if you see, I had like major chunk of hair falling down on sleep. But if you see, it has worked. Still there is this place which seems to be thoda khali, but it has worked so well. And this side too, it's like fuller right now, and this is because of this one product. So I would highly recommend. Okay, so I've got last two products, which is after your hair wash and hair mask and everything, all you need is like a good serum. So I've got two recommendations. One is by the L'Oreal. It is the Extraordinary Serum with 6 precious floral oil. Sometimes what happens is, if you do a shampoo and if it has made your hair very, very dry, and you haven't used a mask or a moisturizer, I mean a mask or a conditioner, then you tend to have very, very dry hair, which is very irritating, and you're not able to set it. Then you can actually use this L'Oreal one to set your hair. All you have to do is take 2 to 3 drops and just apply it here. Okay, only here and not on your scalp. Otherwise, it is going to be very, very oily. All you have to do is on your hair length. That is where you have to apply this, and that's about. So the next product is by Streaks. This is also a great product. If you see, I've used so much of this product right here. This only this much that is left. This is great for um people who tend to have very dry hair after you have had like a hair wash. This actually has macadamia oil with vitamin E, and it claims that it gives you that high gloss silky smooth finish, which is very, very true. It really makes your hair shiny and also makes the hair feel very, very good. So if you're someone who is looking for an affordable option, you can highly trust the Streak one, and this actually retails for 140 rupees. Okay, with that, let's end this video. I really hope this helped you to understand which one you can pick for your hair. Also, I have made the best skincare that I've used in 2024 and best hair care that I've used in 2024, and you can go and check it out. I would highly encourage and appreciate if you are loving my videos. Do go subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And I think this is going to be the last video for the year 2024. So I also wish you all a great new year. And yes, with that, let's end this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Love.